Remove the plastic packaging. Unscrew the end caps on both sides. Confirm the number of runners needed. Pull out the white plastic strip. Mark the drilling positions before mounting the tracks on the ceiling. Drill holes at the marked positions with a power drill. Insert the wall anchors into the holes with a hammer. Mount the track on the ceiling. Drive screws into the holes. Put the white strip back. Loosen the screws on the end caps. Insert the fixed end runner together with the end cap into one end of the track. Tighten the screw. For the opposite end, only insert the end cap and tighten the screw. Insert the fixed end runners together with the end caps into both ends of the track. Tighten the screws. The Lior Ultra-Slim Curtain Track is now installed for smooth, seamless gliding. Loosen connector screws for smooth sliding into the track. Pulling out the white plastic strips. Insert the connector into the two tracks to be joined respectively and adjust the position. Tighten the screws on the connector. The tracking connection is completed.